Hello, children. Welcome to my English session. Let's start the session with a small game of identifying the famous sports personalities by looking at their pictures. Can you identify who they are? Yes, in the first picture, we can see P.T. Usha, and in the second, Mary Kom, and in the third one, Abhinav Bindra. Let's know few more things about them. P.T. Usha was one of India's best known women athletes. She remained the queen of track and field for almost 2 decades. P.T. Usha was fondly called the Payoli Express and the Golden Girl because of her record on the track. Mary Kom is an Indian boxer. She is a 5-time world boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 6 world championships. Abhinav Bindra is an Indian shooter and is a world and Olympic champion in the 10m air rifle event. By winning the gold in the 10m air rifle event at the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, he became the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games. They were not champions by overnight. Their focus, hard work, dedication, and perseverance took them to that level. Even they also started their career with the small steps only, and they had their own starting points. Here we are with our new lesson, The Starting Point, an extract from The Race of My Life by Milkha Singh with Sonia Sanwaka. The Race of My Life is the autobiography of Milkha Singh, co-authored by his daughter Sonia Sanwaka. Let's know about biography and autobiography. Biography is the account of the life of a person written by someone else. For example, The Nice Guy Who Finished First is the biography of cricketer Rahul Dravid by Devendra Prabhudesai. It tells about the life history of Rahul Dravid, but Rahul Dravid has not written this one, and it is written by some other person, that is Devendra Prabhudesai. So it is called a biography. Beyond the Last Blue Mountain is the biography, that is A Life of J.R.D. Tata by R.M. Lala. Autobiography. An autobiography is an account of a person's life that is written by the individual themselves. The Story of My Experiments with Truth is an autobiography of M.K. Gandhi. Means Mahatma Gandhi has written himself. ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಅವರ ಲೈಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ ಅವರೇ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್. Wings of Fire, an autobiography by APJ Abdul Kalam. Unbreakable, an autobiography by MC Mary Kom. The Race of My Life by Milkha Singh and his daughter Sonia. From this book, The Race of My Life only, our chapter, The Starting Point, is taken. In this lesson, we are reading about Milkha Singh, who rose from being an ordinary soldier in the Indian Army to becoming a successful athlete through hard work and perseverance. In this part of his autobiography, Milkha Singh has written about 3 incidents that happened in his life in January 1953, when he had recently joined the Indian Army. He considers them lucky as they were responsible for making him famous as one of the fastest runners in India. Which are those three incidents? We'll check it out when we go through the lesson. Let's discuss new words with meanings of the lesson. Recruit, a person who has recently joined the armed forces. What are armed forces? Yeah, ಆರ್ಮಿ, ನೇವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರೋಲ್ ಕಾಲ್, ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. Just like our school attendance. We'll call the attendance and we'll mark present and absent, no? Like that. Exempted. If Milkha Singh is exempted from some duty, it means that he does not have to do it. Means ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ಮಿಲ್ಖಾ ಸಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಂದ ವಿನಾಯಿತಿ ದೊರೆತಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಫಟಿಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ, duties such as cleaning and cooking carried out in fatigues, that is loose clothes instead of uniforms. Sense of mission, a feeling that he was doing a very important task. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುದ್ಧೋಪಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನು ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. A big treat, something that is pleasant and enjoyable, especially because it comes as a part of celebration. ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಸವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿವೇಷನ್, ದ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪೂರ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಆಸ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಮನಿ, ದೇರ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಅಭಾವ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಾಲಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಶಭಾಷ್, a word of praise that shows appreciation. Actually, it's in Hindi or Urdu word which says that you have done a good job or a great job. Taciturn, reserved, someone who doesn't speak much. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತಭಾಷಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. The person who doesn't speak more. Whenever they want, they'll speak, that's all. No nonsense, serious and direct. Here, ಗಂಭೀರವಾದ, ನೇರವಾದ. Prodding, gently pushing with the stick to urge them to run faster. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಚುಚ್ಚೋದು, not to hurt them, just to encourage them to run faster. Regiment, a unit of soldiers in the army made up of several smaller groups. ಆರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ರೆಜಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರುಮೆಂಟಲ್, he played the most important part in making me work hard to become a world-class athlete. Here, Milkha Singh is saying that he was instrumental, that ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾದರು, ಅವರು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಥ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. We'll come across the word cross-country races. In that one, the participants has to run in open fields and there will be no separate road or track for the race. Cynosure, a person who is the focus of everyone's attention. In Kannada, Akarshaka, have an air of power and prestige. They seemed very important and much respected and admired by others. It is an exciting and astonishing feeling. Eureka moment, the time when he realized what he wanted to become in life. The important moment of his life when he decides what he wanted to become. Privilege, an opportunity they were very proud about. An extra added advantage. Procedures and technicalities. The rules of the race and the process that should be followed before the race. ರೇಸ್ಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ನಿಯಮಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಅಂಶಗಳು. ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಹಾರ್ಟೆಂಡ್, ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೋಪ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ದಲೇ ಇರೋದು. ಬ್ಯಾರಕ್ಸ್, ಅ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಲೀವ್. ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸು ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾರಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. A rule of thumb, a practical way based on experience though it may not be technically correct. A thumb rule ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು practically based rule but it may not be always correct or right. Anticipated, expected, known to be likely. ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. Grooming, his training to become a world-class athlete. In other words, we may call grooming as smart training. ಅಂದಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು. Innumerable means many. In Kannada we call asankhyaata means many, so many. By this we are done with new words with meanings. Here are few writing instructions. First one, write the heading in the classwork. Second one, write about biography and autobiography with examples. Then write new words with meanings what we have discussed in this video. We shall discuss our lesson, the starting point, very soon. Thank you all children.